from, Tyler?
Supermarket.
Supermarket?
Yeah.
And what you got at the supermarket?
So we have to wipe.
What is that?
Wipe.
Wipes.
Yeah.
That's a good description for it.
Stay free.
And this is croissant for me.
Show face.
Chauffeur,
Croissant for you?
chauffeur.
Okay. And not for Papa?
Huh?
Not for Papa, only for you?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, so this is chocolate milk for me.
No, it's for me.
It's for you?
Yeah.
No, it's for me.
No, it's for me.
Uh-oh.
Papa, you're silly.
You want to share? Oh, this one is for me. Apple juice for me.
Yeah, for me too.
Oh, it's for you too?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is that?
Egg.
For who?
For not to me because for not to because it's for Mama.
It's for Mama. Right, you're right. It's Mama will eat 3 eggs a day.
Because we don't like it, why?
No, we like eggs, but Mommy eat eggs like 3
We
times per day.
don't like
You
it.
don't like egg?
No.
Okay. What is that?
This is fish.
Fish. Okay, and this is orange juice.
Yes.
Oh, it's not finished. What is that?
I love to cook.
Is oil to cook?
Yes.
Is who cook with a lot of oil?
Mama.
Is Mama, right?
Not to me.
Not you, you don't cook. Interesting, what is that?
This is
No, it's not strawberry. It's melon.
For melon.
for
For me and you.
Melon for Mama.
family.
Some Madeleine. For Tyler?
Yes.
And Mama, I'm sure.
No.
No, don't eat Madeleine. Oh, what is that?
It's the thing for the bathroom.
It's
Not
air
for the
freshener,
bathroom,
it's for the
air
entire
freshener
house.
For the house, not
One
only
is
the
in
bathroom.
too.
Oh, another one. Mommy needs to stay for a lot.
Is that the menu? I can.
Some sweet peppers, every color. Some bread. I don't know about Tyler used to eat that for breakfast with chocolate, like
Toast.
toast.
Yes.
But as a French, we like sweet bread and toast. And they say sweet on top of sweet, yucky. So she don't know nothing about sweetness.
Cha-cha.
No, it's not
No.
charged.
Expensive.
Right.
Right. Another one. Woo. Marlene, that's a workout.
For Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola for who?
For me.
For you?
Banana.
For who?
For me.
Capuette.
For
No. For me and you.
some turkey meat.
For me.
And what is that?
More banana.
No, it's plantain, that one.
Plantain. For Mama, yes.
And me.
And you?
Yes.
Ice cream for Papa and Mama, and not Tyler.
Time. Yeah, but Papa is only joking, so he's playing with you.
You want
laugh
ice
about
cream?
it.
Yeah.
You sure?
It's for my ice cream. I need to share too. I need to share too, Papa. Papa, I need to share too. I need to share too.
Two.
Yeah.
He said he want to share with you. That's what he means.
Oh, you want to share with me?
Yeah.
Oh, give Papa a hug. So we're gonna share ice cream, okay? Don't put pirouette with the banana, you're gonna eat all of them. Some chicken with our bun, my favorite. Meatball, long time. You remember when we used to get meatball? I'm sure meatball is good for kids. They like it.
Tyler, eat it at school. Maybe that's why I tell you you want it.
You like that, Tyler?
Yes.
Yes. What is that?
This is
Yogurt for me.
pineapple.
Pineapple?
Yes.
You like pineapple?
This one.
Okay.
Only me.
And only you?
Yes.
And Papa?
Yes.
And Mama?
Yes.
Right.
But we don't have two for Mama.
You don't have what?
Two for you.
To what?
I think this for you.
We don't need two. Everybody's just gonna share this one.
Right.
It's not wipes.
Everything's to
Paper
clean is
towel.
wipes. It doesn't matter what you clean.
It's wipes.
If you clean your body, if you clean the floor, it's wipes.
It's wipes for Tyler. If it's my stay free, it's wipes.
Stay free, well, it's to clean the body, a part of the body.
You finish?
You finished?
Well, tell Faves that's it for today.
That's it for today. There wasn't much today.
That's it for today.
That's it for today. Thank you.
Hi Faves, good morning, good afternoon,
Brush your
and good
teeth,
night.
brush your teeth with the mountain or green teeth.
He's funny.
Brush your teeth with the mountain or purple teeth. Brush your teeth with the mountain or orange teeth.
Of course, you guys know we just finished singing the brush your teeth song.
And no green.
Why the lighting so terrible?
Brush your teeth.
You brush your teeth already? Come, put your foot in. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be late. Oh my gosh. It's 8 o'clock. And we have to be out here by 8:10. We're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. You guys, I'm getting my boy ready for school, as you guys can see. You're a clown. You're a clown. So hold on, wait. If you're a clown, what are you doing in my house?
Singing the brush your teeth song.
Yeah, but I don't have clown as a son.
Brush your teeth with the
You need to go to the park and to the circus if you're a clown.
Yes.
So why are you in my house? Huh? Clowns don't be in my house.
Brush your teeth
He is so funny.
with the
What? No?
with the mountain with the
Ah!
with
You're
the
stuck.
with Papa.
Papa's gone to work.
But I didn't see Papa.
Yeah, because you were sleeping. So we'll call him, okay? Okay? Fix the face. Okay? Well, he's already gone, so you're gonna have to call him on the phone.
When he come back home.
Okay, we can do that. You guys, I am getting my morning routine going with my boy. Come, baby, let's go. Come, you're gonna be late. Die. This boy. I'm packing his snacks for school right now. Guy, we got two packages. You're not gonna open them to see what is in there?
Yeah.
We got packages yesterday, but still didn't open them. So let me see if we can open them real quick before he goes to school.
They are big.
Okay, you're gonna open them for Mama
Yeah.
to see what they are. I need a juice for you.
It's the green one.
I think one of my best friends, Tyler's godmother, check it out, sent some things, so I think these are from her. Oh no, this is from Annie Chin for baby girl, Ty. It's a baby sister, this one. Yeah, this is a jacket, cutest little jacket ever from Annie Chin, and this is for baby girl, and it have a what is this? This is like a headband or a pin to go here. Hold on. And this is a little belt for it. Thanks, Annie. I super love this. It's mama name on it. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Okay. You hear a scratch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wash it tonight. Okay, take out. Oh. Okay, I think this is also from Annie Chin. This is also from Annie Chin, and it says, I am napping, and I hope you like napping too. It's like a reggae jump pyjama onesie. So cute. So thanks, Annie. So now all Annie orders have been received. Thank you, Annie. I love it. You like it, Ty?
Yes, Mama.
Yes. And we got another package that we already opened yesterday that I didn't show you guys, that Tyler Godmother, my best friend, sent for him. I'll show you guys that later, but right now we are heading out to yeah. So what do you say to Faves?
Bye.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
oh no later. Alright, let's go. I am back from dropping Ty, and it's breakfast time for me. Ta-da! Yes, 3 boiled eggs, but they're small, so don't judge me. I'm having 3 boiled eggs and fried plantain, bread, and of course, my cup of tetzley. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna have breakfast, get some social media work done, and then get on with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever time of the day you guys are watching this, just stay smiling, stay loved, stay blessed. Tell somebody something good to make them smile today. That's your mission for today. Even if it's one person, that one person might be so grateful and so thankful, and you might be just on time when that person needs it. Love you guys. Stay encouraged, stay blessed. I love you all. Love, 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 love. Lots of love from my heart. I'm gonna have breakfast. I have been in Princess' room all morning trying to install her camera, and I finally did it. Yes, so you guys will be definitely getting the room tour next week, and 2 more things I have to put up, and the part on the wall that I want to put it up is a hard wall where I cannot pierce it myself. I need a machine. So one of babe friends is coming over this weekend to get it done, so I'll be able to have those 2 things up on the wall that I want to put up. Let me just give you guys a glimpse of her camera. So her camera is right there, and all I'm gonna do now is attach this cord in the crease of the wall. That way she can't reach it, and then I shall be good to go. And let me show you over here on the monitor what it looks like. Oh, so there we go. There she's in the bed. So it's positioned perfectly. So it's all the way up in the corner of the wall. It's perfect. Positioned directly in her bed, and her monitor is here. So I did it. I'm so proud of me. Yay. So don't worry, you guys. I know you guys have been waiting on the room tour. So I think the room tour and the name reveal might come in one, or I may do it separate. But you're just gonna have to wait and see. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do it, but the room tour is definitely coming next week. Definitely, because I have nothing else to do apart from putting up those two things that I tell you I want to do. So yes, honey. 7 weeks to go. We're almost there.
Big stomach. I'm looking where it looks bigger on camera or in the
I'm trying to let them see it. All of it. Oh God. The struggles of life.
A month and a half more to wait.
You guys.
2 months to wait.
My child thought this was me. He saw it and he said, Mama, that's you.
You wish. I'm not talking about her, I'm talking about the wife of the president. So
no, I don't want to be the wife of the president.
Oh, no,
that
you
life.
You don't want that.
Sorry. You guys, you see this stomach? This is the best of me right now. The latter part of the evening, all I did was stay in bed. I couldn't do nothing. It took me 3 times the amount of time that I would normally walk to go get Ty, to go to his school and come back today. I don't know how I managed to reach and get back. I was this close to telling Babe, come home early to go get Tyler because I can't manage. I was feeling some pain this afternoon, but the pain is kind of gone now. It's just a discomfort that is still there. But yeah, Phillips, haven't seen you all day, my love.
Yeah, because I woke up very early this morning. Woke up about 5 and a half. Went to work early, come back kind of late. It was a long day. 7 something. That's late. I'm just tired.
You look tired. Your eyes look shutting down.
Oh yeah, I want to sleep. I want to sleep. It's Friday, so I'll be fine. I'll be fine. It's Friday tomorrow. Because of the way Babe feel, we don't really make any plan. We live on the day.
Too long.
Maybe tomorrow she feel well and she say, okay, let's do that. But right now,
At the rate at home feeling right now, can't make no plans. I can't sit up too long and I can't walk for too long.
How's your wing? Because I remember when Tyler was there.
This time he was gone.
Yeah.
Still have little space on the day for more fat.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys, Babe came home and made us pizza and we had dinner. That was dinner for today. Ty got home from school and now he's in bed. And I am going to catch me a quick shower and come right back in bed. Well, by the time I get back, I know Babe will be sleeping.
I want to go sleep, so I'm sure when she come back I'll be sleeping.
He'll be knocked out. You'll be knocked out by the time
I want to
come back.
realize he come.
Hilarious, because his eyes closing down right now. So we're just coming on to end the vlog right here. But we love you guys and I still try to catch little moments here and there. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow.